following program is in described video for the visually impaired. It is also suggested that you listen to it under the influence of heavy drugs. Thank you.
Well, alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Beard's Old Man Rants. Today's rant is going to be about assholes. That's right, you heard that right, assholes. An asshole is somebody who just wastes your time. They'll come into your DMs and ask you all kinds of questions. Now, normally, that's not an issue. There's plenty of guys like me who'll be more than happy to take the time to hold your hand and walk you through every little problem you might be encountering. Paying extra special attention to what you might be doing wrong and maybe the suggestions that we can make to help fix your problems and get you on track. However, the assholes are the ones that will take up 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours of your time, and they don't implement anything you suggested. Rather, you'll see them 30 minutes after you're done talking to them, asking for help in another server or on another platform, asking the exact same questions they just wasted 2 hours of your time answering. The problem with this is that there's plenty of people out there who really do need the help and who are more than happy to get some good information from somebody willing to take the time to help them out. But it's people like these assholes that make people like me more hesitant to want to help people that might actually need it. People come to us wanting answers to their problems because they know we have experience. The proof is in the pudding. And they want somebody who knows what they're doing to help them out because they're having problems. But when people like these assholes come along and waste our time, it makes it to where we just don't want to help anybody anymore. And that's not a good thing. We should definitely be in the right mindset to want to be helpful to those in the community that need it. So, if you're an asshole or someone you know is an asshole, cut that shit out. It's annoying as fuck, and you're making us not want to help anybody else. That's going to conclude today's Beard's Old Man Rant. I hope you enjoyed and tune in for the next one. Until then, happy cultivating.